Yeah, welcome to the website phishing classification. Uh, the problem statement for this project is to classify whether a website is phishing website or not based on the characteristics of the website. Phishing website is something which looks like a genuine website, but it is designed in such a way to trick users to get the personal and financial informations from the users. So it is a big threat for the online security, and it is very much essential to detect whether a website is phishing website or not. For this purpose, we have used the data uh, provided by the UC Irwin uh, machine learning repository, which had around 30 attributes to classify whether a website is phishing website or not. So the data was given in ARFF format. We have converted that format to the CSV format, and we have 31 columns present in the data set, out of which the target column which we need to predict is result, and there were no null values present in the data set, and we have given a description of the data set uh, and explain what each and every numeric value means in for each and every feature. And then we done the exploratory data analysis. We plotted a count plot for each of the columns, uh, and then we plotted a pie chart for the result, and we got to know that the distribution is almost similar for phishing and non-phishing, with only 5% difference. There were 11,055 entries. Uh, and coming to the bivariate analysis, which was performed by plotting the count plot with hue as result, we were able to see that prefix sum is having strong relationship with result, and then a website having one or more than one subdomains were morely phishing websites, and SSL final state was also having strong relationship with the result, and URL anchor was also critical feature in determining whether a website is phishing website or not. As all the columns were categorical columns, in order to find relationship it with results, we went for chi-square test, and we got these features as significant features. Next, we did pandas profiling to get the complete report and stored it as an XML file. Next thing, we went ahead to build models for classification. We took the data set which was cleaned by last time, did train test split on that, and data scaling was not needed because all the values in the feature lied between -1, 0, and 1. The first model which we went ahead to build is the logistic regression model, which is the basic model for classification. We went ahead for hyperparameter tuning, and we got the AUC ROC score as 92.92. And we have also jotted down the feature importances as per logistic regression model, and we stored that model in a pickle file. Next classification algorithm which we went ahead was k nearest neighbor. Similarly, we did hyperparameter tuning for it, and we got AUC ROC score as 0.95, which is greater than the logistic regression model. Next model we went ahead was random forest classifier. We did hyperparameter tuning for it, and then we found out that AUC ROC score was 0.949, which was almost similar for with respect to KNN. And next thing we went ahead and did was to build kernel SVM to classify whether websites were phishing or not. We did hyperparameter tuning for it, and we found out that AUC ROC score was 0.959, which almost matches with KNN. Next model and the final model which we built was XGBoost classifier. We did hyperparameter tuning with it, and it was able to provide us accuracy score of 0.963, which is the best when compared to all the models which we have built. And then we plotted a confusion matrix for it, and then we deployed the app into Streamlit application. Streamlit application, this uses XGBoost classifier as it was giving the best results. We need to upload a CSV file which contains the data on the website characteristics, and it predicts whether a website is phishing website or a good website. That's it. Thank you.